This is nice, clean bone, sweet. Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in again. Another episode of the Backyard Warrior. Today I'm making a lamb tagine. This is one of my favorite lamb dishes. It's a Moroccan dish. Here we have a tagine. This is the base. I put some olive oil in here. I have some lamb shanks. I'm gonna sear first for a little bit, and then I have plenty of ingredients here to use on this dish. I'm gonna start with the spices. First, I have salt, pepper, ras el hanout. This is a Moroccan blend, has a lot of spices on it, from sweet to savory. Turmeric, saffron, grated ginger, and some garlic. Diced onions, cilantro, and some sliced onions as well. For the garnish, pitted prunes. I'm gonna cook these with butter and cinnamon and a little bit of a date juice. I like to use date juice. You can use honey, anything, any sweetener. Along with that, we're gonna garnish it with some raisins, and we're gonna finish it off with some fried pine nuts. We're gonna start searing our lamb. These are some lamb shanks, small ones. Now we're gonna add some onions. Salt, pepper, turmeric, ras el hanout, garlic, ginger, and our saffron. I'm gonna deglaze with a little bit of lamb stock. Now we're gonna cover this and let it simmer for a little bit before we add the rest of the onions. 20 minutes into the cook, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Start with onions, little bit of parsley, and we're gonna lower the heat and let this simmer for a couple of hours. Now we're gonna start working on our garnish. Here I have pine nuts. We're gonna fry in this oil. I mean toast, not fry, just to put some color on them. I'm using peanut oil here. I started it cold. And once we get a little color on them, we're gonna turn it off. Cook my raisins in boiling water here, just to bloom them a little bit. Salt this water for the prunes. These are done. We're gonna turn them off, and these are reducing a little bit. And my pine nuts are toasted, getting a nice color here. I'm gonna add this date syrup to it. Make it syrupy a little bit. I'm gonna add a thing of butter to it. So cinnamon, butter, date syrup. This is the color we wanted on them. Let them rest on this paper towel here. Drain all the excess oil. Now let's check on our tagine. Oh wow, a nice pull back. Meat is tender, color is good. The sauce thickened a little bit thanks to those onions we cooked down. Let's try this. Oh wow, a lot of flavors in there. This is the first garnish we're gonna put in here. This syrupy sauce cooked down a lot, and right texture we're aiming for, almost melting. Now we're gonna second garnish for our tagine is these prunes. Some pine nuts. Oh, this is nice. And some sesame seeds. Beautiful. Now to eat this, we're just gonna put some on this plate. Alright, so let's see how we did with this cook. We'll take one lamb shank right there, a little bit of this nice rich sauce. Alright, let's see how we did. Oh, the meat is so tender. I don't even need a fork for this. Look at that. Wow. Look at this meat right here. Beautiful. Sweet, savory, tender. Look at all this. Beautiful. The prunes just melted. The reason let that meat just fall apart. Clean bones. Beautiful. Let me dip some bread in there. Perfect bite. Sweet, savory, a lot of flavors. Moroccan lamb tagine with prunes. Dishes like that make me so happy, you know. And until the next one, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.